As expected, the Regional Democratic Alliance (RDA), comprising of the UDP and HSPDP, on Tuesday officially announced that former HYC President Robert June Kharjarin as the common candidate of the alliance to contest from the Shillong parliamentary seat in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls scheduled to be held next year. Talking to reporters after the meeting, the Alliance RDA chairman Medba Lingdaw said that the common candidate of the alliance will contest on the symbol of the UDP. He also informed that they have not discussed any other names since Kharjarin was a unanimous choice of the alliance. According to him, this only reflects the unity of the two parties who are part of the alliance. The RDA chairman said that the two parties will have an understanding even in the upcoming district council elections in KHADC and JHADC, endorsing the decision to announce the candidature of Kharjarin. RDA Secretary KP Pangyang said that the two parties had deliberated on the common symbol since the two parties had their own separate symbols.
Ban jit bat ban penpena ia kateng jong ba Robert June Kharjarin kumu kandidat jong ka di naga banta ka election MP jong ka Lok Sabha jong stem arja arpusa